In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design a shop page with Elementor and WooCommerce. We're going to create a clean custom shop page by working inside WordPress and Elementor's theme builder. This process is ideal if you want more control over how your WooCommerce product archive looks instead of relying on your theme's default shop layout. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. Once you're inside the admin area, you'll have access to the design tools and template settings needed for this setup. Make sure Elementor and WooCommerce are already active since both are required for building and displaying the shop page correctly. Next, go to Templates, then open Theme Builder from the left-hand sidebar. Theme Builder is where you create dynamic templates for key parts of your site, including headers, footers, product pages, and in this case, your shop archive. This is important because the shop page is treated as an archive layout, not just a regular static page. When Theme Builder opens, click on the Product Archive tab. This is the section that controls how your shop page and other product archive views are displayed. If you want your shop to have a custom design, this is the correct place to build it. Now click the Add New button in the top right corner to create a blank template. Starting with a blank template gives you full flexibility to design the layout from scratch. That's especially helpful if you want a more branded and polished storefront. From there, begin building the header or banner area. This is the top section of your shop page, and it usually includes a title, a background image or color, and any supporting visual styling that introduces the page. Keep this section visually clear and aligned with the rest of your brand so shoppers immediately know they're in the store area of your website. After that, structure the main content area by setting up the product grid and sidebar. This is where the page becomes functional. The grid will hold your product listings, while the sidebar can support filtering, categories, or other shop-related tools depending on your layout. Be mindful of spacing here, because a balanced structure makes browsing easier and improves the overall shopping experience. Next, customize the product display. This is where you refine how your products appear inside the grid. Adjust the styling so the listings are easy to scan and consistent with your site design. Focus on readability, product image presentation, and overall visual hierarchy so visitors can quickly compare items. Finally, set your display conditions and publish the template. This tells Elementor where the template should appear, so make sure it's assigned to the correct product archive or shop page. Once you publish, your new custom WooCommerce shop layout will go live. And that's it. You now have a custom designed shop page built with Elementor and WooCommerce.